love y'all. I'm gonna go up on the look. Yeah.
Ilya, I got a new mask. What do you think?
Oh my fucking god!
It's fucking terrifying!
Vape? No! B-flat clarinet.
I want all the gummy bears! Gummy bears!
My name is Pablo Juan Carlos Alejandro González María Lucia Mendoza Macarena Chipotle Tapatio con queso guacamole Ferreira Santiago Rodriguez, but everybody calls me Bobby.
Say anything.
Then she said you said the F word.
I said no such thing.
I
said no such thing.
Somebody say, hey, we want some. It's funny because it's a pad. Hey, Firas. I do these puns to get followers. Oi, Firas. You mess with me, you're gonna die, son. Yeah, do those reps, big boy. Do those reps. Do it for the girls.
Catch. Great. It landed outside of the pool. Go get the ball. It's not my fault that you have butterfingers. I gave you the best throw possible. Now go get the ball. Don't be shy. Oh, now you want to rock, paper, scissors this. All right, fine. On shoot. All right. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah! You are the biggest manipulator ever. Screw you.
Captain Milk, you don't want to smoke, my brother. You see, are you trying to scare me? Do you know who I am? I am the captain of the milk. I am so scared. I am going to milk you like my cow.
What are you doing?
But you don't even have any hair.
Oh.
And if you call me an ass, make sure to put smart in front of it and istant after it. My way or the turn left to merge onto the highway.
I'm gonna teach you how to jump off the couch. 1, 2, 3. Oh, fuck!
Roll out, roll out, roll out, roll.
Right in the sack.
Have you ever went in your refrigerator and you found out there's no milk inside? There is only one thing to do. Call for Captain Milk. Captain Milk! Here you go, my brother. Stay safe.
I can't take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't. Take it off. I can't take it off. Like,
Yo, how does it know where we're at? It's just a piece of paper.
Hey, Jessica, give me some of your goldfish crackers.
No.
I'm sorry?
No.
Let me ask that again. Jessica, give me some of your goldfish crackers.
No.
You know what, Jessica?
What?
Two can play this game.
Yeah, I'm so scared. Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing?
No,
don't raise your hand. What are you doing? Put your hand down.
Jessica here? She called me ugly.
No, I
yeah,
didn't.
She did.
No, I didn't.
It really hurt my feelings.
Oh my God. You dirty little liar.
Jessica, I sure hope you learned your lesson. Next time I ask for a snack, you give me some. 0 questions asked.
You know what? Take it. I hate you.
Oh, you disgust. Ah! What the fuck's wrong with you?
Yo, what type of shit is this?
Look what I can do.
Hey! What?
Hey, I'm sorry I didn't see you there. I was too busy blocking out the haters.
I'm sorry, I didn't see you there. I was too busy. I'm blocking out the haters. Okay, Grandmom, on the count of 3, you have to make the ugliest face you possibly can. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2. Grandmom, I said on the count of 3. Don't go yet.
What? Oh, go fuck yourself.
Put your thumbs right here like this. Okay. All right. Now you're stuck. You can't move. Prove it. Prove it. You fucking heathen!
I ain't got you. That was strong.
A mamãe tá fazendo brincadeirinha? Cadê o neném?
The silly monster. Guess who's behind the blanket?
I have bananas, trees. I have land. I can give you baboon booty. Don't you want that? Mm-hmm. Come on, big man. Come on, big man. Come on, open the cage. Come on. Come on.
Look, Soo-young, back it up.
What?
Back it up now. Look, I'm gonna keep it real with you. You ain't getting out this cage. I'm gonna just keep it 2 Virgils with you right now.
But please.
You ain't getting out this cage, man. You might as well back up. Hold on. Let me put my arm up, cause here come boss. Okay. I don't want him to see me.
Okay.
Look at him looking. Look, you finna get me in trouble, man. I'm supposed to be on post. I ain't even supposed to be talking to you.
Come on, big man.
All right, man. You finna get me locked up in the cage.
Hey, Mom. If you're gonna call me stupid, make sure you put your mama in front of it. Whack ass. Oh, my way. My way. You know, man.
What is she doing?